Hey all food lovers, and welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. This day is drumstick science season, so today I'll show you all how to prepare a delicious drumstick and coconut milk curry. Drumsticks are also known as Moringa pods. Drumstick is a highly nutritious vegetable, being a rich source of vitamin C as well as calcium and iron. They are also a rich source of dietary fibers. So now let's move on to the recipe.
I've taken 5 tender drumsticks, trimmed the ends of the drumstick, cut it into 2-inch pieces, remove the outer fibrous portion and wash it. Add water in a vessel along with drumsticks, half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Boil the drumsticks for 10 minutes till they are soft. Once it's cooked, remove it in a separate bowl and retain the water in which the drumsticks were boiled for using in gravy later. Next, take a separate vessel, heat 2 tablespoons of refined oil, add cinnamon and cloves. Fry for few minutes. Then add chopped onion, garlic and curry leaves. Saute till onions turn light brown in color. Then add the chopped tomatoes and cook the tomatoes till they are soft and mashy. Then add the masalas one by one. Stir fry for a few minutes and then add the boiled drumsticks and the retained water left after boiling the drumsticks. We are not throwing it out because this water has most of the nutrients in it. Once the water comes to a boil, add coconut milk and stir. Check for the taste and then season it with salt and sugar. Let the gravy simmer on low flame for 5 minutes and then remove it from the heat. Drumstick curry is ready to be served.
If you like this video, kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all my latest updates. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding this recipe, you can write in the comment section below. Till then, I will see you all next time in my next video.